Activity 1. Sound discrimination.
Conveyor belt restaurant.
Drag the dish to match what the customers like.
Yahoo! 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 Yahoo!
Good job.
Activity 2. Learn vocabulary. Shook the book. Tap on.
Shower,
Yahoo!
shower,
Tap on.
shark,
Yahoo!
shark,
Tap on.
shelf,
Yahoo!
shelf,
Tap on.
shirt, shirt,
Yahoo!
shirt,
Tap on.
shoes, shoes,
Yahoo!
shoes.
Activity 3. Word recognition. Listen and kick the correct ball to the goal.
Wish, wish,
Awesome!
shade, shade,
Awesome!
fresh, fresh,
Awesome!
ship, ship.
Awesome!
Well done.
Activity 4. Build the word. Choose the sheep to complete the word.
Shell, la, shell,
Choose the sheep to complete the word.
brush, brush,
Choose the sheep to complete the word.
sheep, sheep,
Activity 5. Learn sight words.
Catch the
Have,
chicken and put it in the right coop.
does, have, has, does, has, have, does, have.
Good job.
Activity 6. Count the sound.
Sweetland, how many sounds are there in the word ship? Yay! Ship, ship, shrimp, 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 sheep, 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 cash, cash, cash. Well done.
Activity 7. Build
Refueling
sentences.
spacecraft.
Fill the fuel for the spaceship by dragging the pipes to complete the sentence. Nat has a pot and a cot. Gnat, cot, pot. Pot. Nat has a pot and a cot. Shane has a fresh fish on his rod. Has fish his rod. Shane has a fresh fish on his rod. Nat has a shell and a bell. Nat, a shell bell. Nat has a shell and a bell. Activity 8. Read the story.
Is It a Fish? Written by Sally Dixon. Illustrated by Willy Wonka. Nat the cat and Shane the sheep are at a reef. Nat has a rod and Shane has a rod.
We will get fresh fish,
Says Shane.
Guess who will catch a big fish first?
I will, of course.
Shane puts a shrimp on his rod.
Let's put some bait on our hooks.
Nat puts a shrimp on her rod.
I'm ready.
Nat and Shane sit and fish at the reef.
We should be very quiet.
Nat and Shane can see a big ship and a fat gull. Nat and Shane cannot see fish.
Look at what you caught.
Is it a fish?
Says Shane. It is not a fish. Shane has a tin and a bin.
Look, you've caught something.
Is it a fish?
Says Nat. It is not a fish. Nat has a shell and a bell.
Oh no. It must be a fish.
Is it a fish?
Says Shane. It is not a fish. Shane has a hat and a mat.
It's still not a fish. It's definitely a big fish.
Is it a fish?
Says Nat. It is not a fish.
Where are all the fish?
Nat and Shane sit and fish at the reef.
Is it a fish?
Says Nat.
It is a big fish.
Says Shane. Nat and Shane are glad to get a fresh fish.
Congratulations! You finished the lesson!